Okay.
Oh my god, there's lots of snow.
So these poor bucket cars isn't going out for a while. Like I say, it's the worst it's been for ages.
What do you do?
They'll just have to bloody die for it. That's it. Can we get through? This is the hard part because
oh god. Oh my
there's only one little track going through, like.
Careful, so
The garage is not exactly open.
no. It's all buried under snow.
This car here parked on top of a snow drift.
Oh my dear.
Not this one, but there's one round the corner here. He's actually sat on top of it. Oh dear, look at fucking coming here. Has he got a backup? Yeah.
This is worse here.
Further up you see a car sat here, you see the black one.
I'll never get out there.
So he's parked his car.
Yeah, well this is what they say, people just abandon the cars.
That's been pushed out of the way, that one.
Yeah. It's like you've been in Russia. I'm gonna show this to my parents.
Yeah. That's one handy thing, we're stuck by a track now, so we can make a way through for us, won't we? We can get out of the way for him.
Oh yes, that's good.
You wouldn't think in about 6 or 7 weeks there'd be TZs going through here. Farms will have bad luck because it's spring now, all spring lambs go frozen. It must be 5 foot, 6 foot, 10 foot deep in some places. I was in the garage this morning, but then Ramsey, and there was no wood.
God, that's really bad.
So the trees are full blue blown over.